Hi, today I'm going to give you all a shampoo pack. Till now what has happened is we've always been doing packs that goes after a shampoo. But this time I'm going to give you a pre-shampoo pack so that your hair, when you shampoo it out, your hair is going to look really nourished, going to look shiny, and it's also very good for making your hair look fuller and giving it a very nice look. So let's go ahead and try. It's a mixture of things from your kitchen, so you can easily do this. So to start off with, we're going to have a bowl and a teaspoon, and we take the shampoo. Okay, so we take a shampoo and we take a teaspoon of shampoo. Now if you have long hair, you are going to take not a teaspoon, you'll have to take a tablespoon, okay, because a teaspoon is not going to do any good for you. Now you put that in. Now I'm going to take a teaspoon of castor oil. Now castor oil is really wonderful, and you can use castor oil not just for this recipe but also your eyebrows. You can get beautiful eyebrows. It also helps to grow your lashes and get lovely long lashes. So take a little castor oil on a Q-tip, or even if you can take it with your fingers like this and just apply it on the ends of your lashes, and you will find that this is going to give you lovely long lashes and your eyebrows are going to be fantastic. So now, but here we are going to use the castor oil because it is nourishing. We are going to use it in our pack. Now in our pre-shampoo pack, mix it, take a teaspoon of that. Now long hair, we will just put a tablespoon of everything, okay, and then mix it up, mix the whole thing like this. Okay, now what does this castor oil do? It's nourishing. What does the shampoo do? The shampoo is cleansing. Now I'm going to take glycerine, which you can get at the chemist, and you're going to take a teaspoon again of glycerine or a tablespoon of glycerine. Now what does the glycerine do? It moisturizes the hair. And now we're going to mix that up, and then we are going to take apple cider vinegar, which you get nowadays, really very nice apple cider vinegar of 1 teaspoon or 1 tablespoon. Okay, so that is very good. And what does the apple cider vinegar do? The apple cider vinegar, it adds the pH, the correct pH to the skin, the acidic pH that you need. And to add it, if you've got a dry skin, dry hair, you can add a little cream conditioner to it. If you don't have dry hair, then just use it as it is. So we are going to add a little, because I have dry hair, I'm going to add a little of this. Okay, mix it. And I'm going to mix it. Now for the conditioner again. So everything is equal quantities. And this is the mixture, and you're going to apply this mixture on your hair as though you're shampooing your hair. So as you go, you'll put a little water, then take this mixture, put it all over your scalp, your hair, everything. Leave it on for 10 minutes, and you can even go to 20 minutes if you want. And then just rinse it out. When you rinse it out, you're going to find your hair is clean, you've got glow, hair that shines, got volume and looks real good. So try this out and then let me know.